Today we are going to speak about a common mistake in usage of two words in the English language, can and may. To show the difference, there's an old joke. Once a lady asked a traffic policeman, "Can I take a U-turn?" The policeman answered, "Yes, I don't know whether you can, but you may." The lady was really embarrassed, especially since she was an English teacher. The difference here is that can is a word that is used to denote an ability. That is, I can do it means I have the ability to do it. But in the same way, the word may is used to show something that someone is allowed to do. You may take it means you are allowed to take it. It doesn't mean that you can take it, but you are allowed to take it. Hence, that is the difference between the two words you can as well as you may.